Good morning, Stephanie Cameraman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's Dark Pool Daily Whisper for July 23rd, 2019. So we're going to start out with the SPY. Today we are going to be bullish above 299.50. Watch that as a key level. And we are going to be bearish below 298.37. Yesterday was a really tight day. Yeah, I didn't think it was going to be great. We were stuck half the day in between the 4 and the 8 exponential moving average, and then we were stuck in between the 15 EMA. So it looks like we got unstuck. So it could be a great day. So watch that SPY today. Also, the E-minis. We are going to be bullish above 3,000. We just lifted above that. And bearish below 29.91. Let's go to the Russell. The Russell is kind of in a tight spot. Reminds me of the SPY yesterday. Maybe we don't want to go into this one. But if it can break above 154.50, that's bullish. Bearish below 153.87. Let's go to the QQQs. QQQ is also in a great spot. Coast is clear. Bullish above 194. Bearish below 192.70. Coincidentally, we got a lot of massive prints on GSLC. Probably have no idea what that is. It's a Goldman Sachs active beta US large cap equity ETF. It's got all the big guys in it. Facebook, Google, Amazon, JP Morgan, you name it, it's in this ETF. And we had massive prints quite a few days in a row. So I expect a massive move coming. Just don't trade this. Trade one of its top holdings. And let's go to the oil futures. Yeah, I got to show you those oil futures. That's been a fantastic trade every single day. If you trade the oil futures, you have been loving these trades. They have been rocking. However, today we're going to be bullish above 56.37. If we can break above this pivot, yep, that's the only time I'm going to get bullish. And I'm bearish below 55.68. If we break below this S1, person's pivot, yep, then that's going to be bearish. I look at all the pre-market volume. And that's how I pick those levels. I see where most of the volume has happened, these big spikes, and I'm always bullish above the high and bearish below the low. That is my secret. All right, let's go to the gold futures. Gold futures, I think we just went above. Yep, we just went above my 1425 level. I start doing this whisper really early in the morning, so by the time I'm done, some of this stuff starts to move, but still a key level, 1425. Bearish below 1421. And let's go to individual stocks. So Coca-Cola, I believe, already started to move. Yeah, I love this long term. This is a great long-term position with a fantastic dividend. It just had earnings, and holy cow, major breakout. So I was bullish above 52.75, and it looks like we did hit quite a few of my targets. Oh no, one more left. Just give me 1 second. Let me just see if I can maybe see if there's anything else. Really, there's no resistance, you guys, up ahead. If you look at this weekly chart, see if I can maybe draw. Now, this is a breakout. Yep. The sky is the limit. As long as we don't up thrust. If we up thrust at the end of the day, which means we have a big wick, it'll look like the Empire State Building. Yeah, that would be selling at the top. But if we have a strong green candle, this would be a major breakout, especially on a weekly chart. So I love it. We'll just trade it level to level. Let me just check out and see if there's any sellers on the book. We do have a guy selling at 53.50. That's my next target. And really nobody big on the ARCA book. But as soon as Goldman Sachs shows up, he gets in a little bit later. We see him on this INET, the NASDAQ book viewer. Yeah, those are always the levels to pay attention to. So nope, not really anything major. All right. So yeah, I love it. 53, 50 would be that last target. Oh, looks like some sellers have come into the building. Yeah, watch this 53 level as well. Yep. On the way up if volume starts to increase. Okay, let's go to USO. USO has been a great stock to the downside, and then we kind of went sideways. We came back up to the 4 EMA to test it. Now, if we start to pull down again, I'm going to be bearish below 1160. Really key level to watch. We had a big print yesterday at 1169, almost 500,000. We are below that. If we do go above that, really above 1180, now it just moved to 1181, wherever this 8 EMA is. Yep, if we do go above that, then I would turn bullish again, especially on a close, but bearish below for now. Micron, we're going to be bullish above 47.50 and bearish below 46.50. AMD, tough stock yesterday, just couldn't move. And we've had a lot of prints though. We had more yesterday, so I was thinking that they probably weren't done. And that's why they didn't move it. We had another 500,000 print at 33. They're not going to move these stocks until they're done entering. So if we keep seeing large prints every day in the same area, that means they're not done entering. But as soon as they are, it's going to be like a rocket ship. So watch the 33.37 level today. Yep, I really like that one. And bearish only if we go below all those prints, 32.87. Beyond has a lot of volume this morning. We already started moving. Bullish above 202. We just hit 205. So watch this 205 level. Yep, that was the first test. Actually came in 8th shy. Yep, last 8th is the most expensive 8th in the entire world. If you read my blog, you know all about that on my website. I talk about that. Here's a perfect example. So watch that 205 level, really key, and only bearish below 197. Let's go to Apple. Yeah, Apple was one of our best stocks yesterday on the Whisper. Today, bullish above 208.50, bearish below 207.50. Intel, we had those massive prints and we had a massive move. Got to follow the dark pool, guys. Earnings are coming out on Thursday after the close. Bullish above 52.25 today. Bearish below 51.75 for a retracement trade. Back down to earth. Back down to the 4 EMA and pivot. TLT has not moved yet off those massive prints. They're still waiting. Bullish above 132.37. Bearish below 131.19. GDX. We have bullish above 28.37 today. I spotted refreshing yesterday at 28.21. I kept seeing that guy come back and come back and come back, selling. So I really need it to go above 37, yep, to be convinced, then close above there. As long as he's not still selling at 21, but that's definitely a key level to watch as well if you want to do some eye training. Bearish below 27.80 for GDX. And one last goodie for you. Microsoft. Yeah, Microsoft had a lot of prints. We had another big one yesterday, 138.75. So bullish above 139.50 and bearish below 138. There you have it. Those are all your whispers. Until next time, happy trading.
That's my secret. Gonna keep it my secret. My secret.